Hey guys, Tony here from Tony Tech Bytes, and recently over the past couple of years I've been accumulating a humongous Google collection. I mean, I have the Google Daydream View, the Pixel 2, the Google Home Mini, and a 3-pack of Google Wi-Fi systems. So basically, we're going to be talking about the Google Wi-Fi today and none of these boxes, so I'll just put these to the side. So this is the Google Wi-Fi, and let's just talk about design first. And basically you can see that it looks like a cute hockey puck. It's a little bit bigger than the Google Home Mini, but that's really not that bad, and I think it looks really clean and minimalistic. It comes in only a white color, which I think looks really nice with the white tabletop that I have right here. It's made of pretty hard plastic, so that's pretty good as well. In terms of branding, there's only a G sign on the top of it, so it's pretty minimal, and that looks really nice. So anyways, let's talk about ports, and on the bottom you're gonna see 3 ports, one being a USB-C port, and that always has to be plugged in to provide power for the Google Wi-Fi. And then there are also 2 Ethernet ports that you can plug in devices to get faster wired internet. So as for setup with the Google Wi-Fi, it's really simple. All you have to do is just take out one Google Wi-Fi system, and they come in packs of 1 or 3. And all you have to do is just take out one, then you have to take out the Ethernet cable, or if you already have one, you could use that. And then you have to take out one of the USB-C cables, and then you just plug in one of these systems to your main router. And then once you have it plugged into your main router, plug in the power as well, and then just launch the app. And then it will require you to scan the barcode on the bottom right here. And then once you scan that on the bottom, it will just complete the setup process. And then you have your first extender set up. And then for the next extenders, if you have more, you can just put them all around the house in spottier areas where the Wi-Fi is not very good. And then all you have to do is just plug them in the power, and then scan the barcode on the bottom, and then just set it up through the app. So overall, the process took about 10 minutes. I have to say this is one of the easiest setup processes I've ever done for anything. And I recently just built a PC over there, and that was surprisingly pretty easy, but it was somewhat hard because some of the screws, you know, they were just kind of stuck. But anyways, the setup process for Google Wi-Fi was not like building a PC. You just plug in everything and just go in the app and set it up. So you can rest assured that it's really simple and anyone can do it. So let's talk about performance, and I have to say that the Google Wi-Fi system definitely helps out with the home network that we have right here. And I have to say that even in rooms where previously they were really spotty with Wi-Fi connection, it's so much more reliable now. I can watch YouTube videos in any room around the house, and it really doesn't matter where I am at all. Since I have 3 Google Wi-Fi extenders all around the house, this provides a very effective mesh network, which basically uses each extender to extend the Wi-Fi all around the entire house. Oh, and just a side note, the Google Wi-Fi extenders create their own Wi-Fi network even though they're connected to the main router. And it's a pretty good thing because you're gonna have a new network, but just more reliable and also more secure according to Google. So as for value, I have to say these Google Wi-Fi extenders are pretty good for your money, although they're pretty expensive. One of these goes for about $120, around that price, and a 3-pack comes in at around $300 after tax. I have to say, if you have the money and you need a more reliable Wi-Fi network, then these are definitely worth it. However, there are probably better budget options out there. But for the simplicity of the setup, the minimalistic design, and just the way that it works so well and creates a really effective mesh network around the house, I have to say that the Google Wi-Fi extenders are definitely worth it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.